Good morning, YouTube. Today we're going to do a city job. We're actually working for the concrete company that did the city job. They hired us to go and clean up the concrete dust that comes from them saw cutting the sidewalks. So we've never done a cleanup like that, but I think we could handle it. I think we have all the equipment that's necessary for that. Today's weather is not good. It's looking like it's gonna thunderstorm, so hopefully it holds off until we're done. I don't know how long it's gonna take to do this because they did give us a map and a punch list. So I got the map. I got the map right here. Here's the list. So hopefully it all goes smooth and we get it all done before the thunderstorm starts. So check back with you in a bit. Say what up.
What up?
Okay, so we just arrived and we're gonna fill up the water tank right here. We arrived at a public work spot and this is how we're filling up. And you can just take a look, it already started thunderstorming. So I'm gonna go inside and turn the water on real quick. That's where it's connected to. That's where it's coming out to the trailer. So I'll turn it on slow from here. Oh man. How's it coming out? Huh? Yeah. Well, I underestimated how fast the water would come out, so I'm running back to shut off the water. There's still a lot of water in there? Okay, so we're just gonna go park at one of the spots that we're gonna wash. I think wherever we're going to begin, and then figure out what we can do in the meantime while we wait out the rain.
A few hours later.
Just an update, we've been waiting here now for about 12 hours for this rain to stop, and you can see now that it's nighttime. Bro. I'm just messing with you guys. It got so dark, so I'm gonna turn on the lights from this visor. I don't even know if that's gonna help, but I don't know. Can you guys see me a little bit better now? We just parked close to the first sidewalk that we're going to clean. We're just going to check out the weather and see how long it's gonna rain. Hopefully it's no more than an hour. The other way that I'm looking at this is maybe the rain is helping clean off all of the sidewalks that we're going to be doing, and it helps us. If that's the case, that'll be awesome, because then it'll help us advance and complete this project faster. If it looks like it's going to rain for a long time, I think we're just going to head inside of the trailer and swipe out some of the O-rings for a couple of the hose reels. And then I also have a K7, I don't even know what it is, I have an unloader that I've been wanting to swap out, because the unloader that I have, the original one that I have, has been leaking for like a month or two. So I ordered a new one, I just haven't had time to swap it out. So we'll probably do that in the trailer just to be productive.
You're kidding, right?
I just went to the trailer. I tried to see if we can go in there and work, but we can't, because there's a lot of things I gotta move around, and if I do move things around, I can't leave them in the trailer because there's just not enough room. I would have to take them outside. So because of that, I think we're just gonna wait here in the truck. I did count all of the items on this list right here, and there's 32 items that we have to make sure they're all taken care of. There's not much else we could do right now besides wait it out. It says that it is about an hour wait, so oh man. It does say that it is about an hour wait for this rain, so hopefully it goes by quick. And as soon as it starts to let off, slow down, I think we're just gonna go and knock it out. I mean, we do work with water, so it's fine if we get a little bit wet. the rain's starting to stop right now, so I went to go check the first spot that we're going to be working on, and it looks like either somebody cleaned it off or the rain washed it off, or just with time there was nothing there. So we're gonna go down the list, check everything, make sure it's all clean. But the first spot was there was no concrete slurry or dust, whatever that's called. So we're heading to the next stop. We just got to the first spot, and actually this one, it's not written down, it's just marked on the map, and I was iffy if I should even stop, but I'm just gonna go ahead and stop because I don't want them to say something and then I have to come back just for that spot, and I would have been mad at myself because I saw it on the map but not on the list. Put it on the low one, don't put it on the high one, and just low pressure one? Yeah, and just get the slurry, and then be mindful of where you're aiming so you're not aiming at cars or stuff like that. Not strong enough, I guess go with a stronger one. If you need a stronger one, I got another nozzle, but I want to see if that would take it off. You want the boots? Yeah. Let me try it so I can feel it out.
These are so small.
Oh, those are the wrong ones? I think it is cleaning it up, no? Alright, yeah. Let me try. Let's be mindful of how we're cleaning our, we're getting closer to the road. I want to aim that way where there's no cars. Wow, this is it's on there. Huh? Oh yeah. I think we're fine with this one because I don't want to put too much pressure on the stone. I don't know how fragile or old it is, so I think it's cleaning it up and it's taking off whatever is like loose. And we can't use chemicals, so I think it's fine. They just wanted a good cleanup. Watch out, I'm gonna clean it up that way. done. Clean up this side. Can you give me some more slack? I'm stuck. Looks like I got all the slurry. Just clean this up. Oh wow, I made a mess again. There's like no way to clean this up. Put the hose on that side. I'm gonna push that. I'm gonna clean it up right here a little bit. Whoa, almost fell. Let me see if I can knock more of this off. Yeah, it doesn't come off no more. Ah, I got it dirty. All right, let's roll. I think that's one of the tougher spots, and honestly, it wasn't even on the list. Oh, pull it so they don't go over it. I know construction workers say this all the time, but a lot of the drivers when you're working on the road are so inconsiderate. This person didn't slow down, didn't put a turning signal, roll the stop sign. Just straight up inconsiderate. So I didn't mention this before, but if you guys just heard me right now, we're not using any soap. It's just straight water, and we're rinsing off as much of the slurry or concrete dust that we can, because some of the homeowners complained to the city that the contractor got a little bit of sawdust on their property or stuff like that. So this is an example right here. Honestly, I feel like with time all that stuff would have came off by itself, but you know, when it's a city job like that and you get enough people to call in and complain, that the city has to do something about it, you know. I don't know what this is. I don't know if it's to keep stuff from going in there or what. It was there already. But we cleaned it up as much as possible. I don't know when this project was done. I feel like it was a while ago, because that stuff's kind of hard on there already. But yeah, we're not using any soap because the city didn't want it, and because the concrete company didn't want us to use soap. They just wanted it to come and rinse off as much as possible. That spot used quite a lot of water. We'll see how many times we gotta go fill up. We're on to the next stop.
Just there?
Yeah, just this spot. And this spot. Alright, I'm gonna turn it on. Make sure you don't Don't wash this because this is new concrete and you can't put that much pressure on it. And start up kind of.
Only do this.
Yeah, but start off high because this is a lot of pressure. So don't get too close and see if it's coming off.
Okay.
I told you. Don't aim towards the street, aim that way. Yeah, you got it all. Watch out with the grass. That's more dangerous and it messes up grass and everything. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, you didn't even make a mess, so let's go. That wasn't too bad. There's no way we could have done that on that retaining wall over there. If we did that on that retaining wall, we would have made that thing into pieces.
So is it all just like small spots like that?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. And I'm really crossing my fingers that some spots cleaned up by themselves, or maybe the homeowner like brushed it off or something. I think because we can't really put gloves on, I think I'm gonna put some water in a bucket and just leave a rag so we clean our hands. It's that wood plank right there is so slippery, so watch out. Here, we'll put water in this and we can just rinse out our hands.
What are we doing tomorrow?
A wood deck. That's it.
I want to go to 6 Flags.
Let's set that up on the side door, and I'll put a towel there too. Just leave it there. I think the most challenging part about this job or this project today is gonna be driving around finding parking and setting up cones for safety, because right here we're really close to this turn and we don't want to get hit. So let's just hurry up because we're in a really bad spot. That's good. And they said the apron.
Right here?
Yeah, this is the apron. Oh, thank God you guys moving. More space now. You're getting too much of it.
Alright, then you want to do it?
Should have put the boots on. I'm all wet. Clean it up a bit. You're right, it should blend in a tad bit. That's good. Should have worn orange shirts today. Good, right?
Yeah.
Oh, there's still a bunch right there. Let's go. That's good. It was just the apron that was on that list. Damn, there's only enough water for one more apron. Alright, why do you want it up backwards?
I don't know.
What happened? Rock?
Thought I got a spinner.
You can wash your hands off. This was 868, right?
Yeah.
So now we have to look for 770. Let's go check it out. Oh yeah. Go open it.
The white
I don't know.
like
We'll start off on the soft one. Touch it. Try to be gentle. Didn't work on low. I'm out. Let's go fill up.
Yeah.
Good? Alright, I'm gonna turn it on. It's a big leak, right?
Yeah.
I can open up way more, but I think that's fine, no? Or you want me to open it up even more?
No.
I guess there's still too much water coming out.
Yeah.
Whoa. What was that? Can you grab him so I can put this thing down? He didn't break. Yeah, you're good. Alright, that's good. That slurry is wet on there too long, but I think with time it'll fade out. I got all wet.
Oh. Why don't you put on boots?
I know, too late now. We're unpacking again because the next one on the list said apron, and it was literally right there. We were just over here, and now we gotta go back there. So we gotta unpack again. It's not even anything, man. I don't even know why they complain about that one. Hi. Well, because we're trying it with the surface cleaner and that didn't help. Let me blend this in. Let's go. Adrian! Well, I don't know why she's probably late. Look, she's eating. On my website, I should put that theme song from 50 Cent. I got the magic stick. Well, people just think that like a pressure washing wand's gonna work magic, you know? Just cut off my conversation with you. I was telling the viewers that I think this is going to be the most boring video yet because it's just the same thing. Parking, getting out, cleaning a little bit of sawdust. I think the viewers are probably going to like the house better. So the village closed already and we can't use...
Just close the big door.
I mean, I could check, but I don't think it's open. Oh, there was a water spigot right there. Yeah, no, they're done for the day. I think I should pump over here or back. I think we should pump back there in case they wanna, in case anybody shows up to fill up water. No, I mean water, fuel. Can you walk a little faster?
My legs are tired.
Come on, we haven't even done anything hard today. It was just a lot of time.
Is it that slow? Doesn't even sound like it's going.
It's coming out.
Yeah.
Shouldn't take too long. It's already like halfway. Look at that fade. It looks like I cut hair.
I know. I said, did they ask for a taper?
Look at that. Look at that fade. Looks really good. It's a good fade. This last cleaning that you're watching was the last stop on our list. We did a little bit over 32 locations. There were some locations that weren't on the list but that were marked on the map that we had to stop by. I didn't record everything just because I didn't want to bore you with the video of everything being the same. Up next, I give you guys a summary of the project and what I thought about it. That's a wrap, guys. We're all done for today. It was not a difficult project. What it was more so was driving around and getting water. I think the camera died on the while I was cleaning this last spot, so this is how it turned out. Again, my wand is not a magic wand. I cannot remove concrete. It actually did take off some of it, but not all of it. I hope you guys weren't so bored with this video because it was just us driving around doing the same thing over and over and over and over again. I don't know, maybe you found the houses interesting or the neighborhood, but I'll give you my takeaway from this project. Maybe you'll learn something from this video. Hopefully it's not just like a video you guys skip or something. Number one, the list that we got, I would have done like a route with it because there was 32 items on the list. It would have beneficial if I put him like in a route. We just got the list. I just took the list and I ran with it. We were looking them up as we finished them up, like, oh, let's go here, let's go here, let's go here. I think it would have saved us some time if we put him into like a route editor, or not a route editor, like a, I don't know, something that makes the route. And honestly, I think my system does that, but I've never used it because it's usually 1 or 2 houses a day. I've never had like more than 3 or 4, more than 4 for sure. So that would be beneficial. Oh, the train, hold on, pause. Number 2, and I really can't do nothing about it right now, is I would have a bigger water tank, but I don't have one. I think if we had a 500-gallon water tank, I think we would have only had to fill up once. Yeah, definitely once, because we filled up 4 times. We only would have had to fill up once and we would have been straight for the job. But that's for the future. Like I told you guys in my other video, that's a goal and I will accomplish it. I do want a 500-gallon tank for jobs like this, so that in the future, if I do get a job like this, you know, I don't waste so much time and the project goes a lot faster. And the last one, number 3, I would take a look at the weather. Well, it's not like I didn't take a look at the weather. I did take a look at the weather. I put this on everything. I took a look at the weather like around at 9:30 at night. Last night there was nothing, and then this morning we wake up and it says thunderstorms. So I would just keep in mind about the weather so you don't get delayed. Probably lost about an hour and a half. Those were the only 3 takeaways from this project. Other than that, everything else went great. Yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys stayed to the end. Hopefully you guys weren't so bored, but yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think. I know I'm probably gonna get grilled on a lot of like, why'd you use a white tip, why'd you use so much pressure, why'd you do that on and so, but honestly, give me as much comments as you want, because the more comments, the more likes, the more things that are happening on my videos, the better for my YouTube algorithm. So yeah, we try to do our best. We always look out for the customer. We always look out, in this case the customer was the city, so we always try to do our best. But yeah, thanks for everything. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Oh wait, I gotta get Adrian. All right, Adrian, let him know we're out. Say peace out.
Peace out.
Peace.